are you comfortable?
Yes, sir, I am.
So I'm your examiner today. My name's RP. What's your full name?
My name is Dilpreet Kaur.
Okay, Dilpreet, can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here you go, sir.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So, what do you do daily? What's your daily routine?
Okay, as I'm a morning person, I wake up early in the morning. It's around like 7, and my family we usually pray. We usually recite prayer in the morning together. It's our daily routine, and then I love doing exercise, so I go for aerobics every day, and then music is my hobby. It's my passion, so I just started learning harmonium, and then novels. I always read novels. I'm so much into novels.
Okay, so would you like to change any item of your daily routine and why?
Not exactly, but yes, I want to add cooking in my daily routine because I see my mother. She cooks a lot, and I don't know a single piece of cooking. So I like to add cooking in my daily routine.
Okay, nice. How do senior citizens spend their time in your city or state?
Okay, senior citizen in my city, they usually sit together, they chit chat, they talk about politics, they talk about God, they recite prayer together, they go to Gurdwara and temples, and they do hubble and bubble, we call it hookah in our state.
They smoke in Min.
They smoke it, and what they do is they meditate, and they just spend time with their grandchildren. It's like my grandparents do. So that's it. They do that much.
Okay, so how do you spend your evenings?
Okay, my evenings are interesting actually every day. As I'm 18, but I spend my evening like a child who is only 8-year-old. I go outside of my house, and we have a lot of children there, and we play hide and seek. We play a lot of games actually, like hide and seek, catch me if you can, ice and water, disease. These are some games we play. Or sometimes I just water my plants. We have a lot of plants in our home. Or someday I just relax and sit in my bed using my phone.
Alright, so which is your favorite TV program? Do you watch TV?
No, I don't watch TV. But yeah, I just use my phone. I'm not a big fan of web series, but yes, I love to watch cartoons. I'm fond of cartoons. They are very like relaxing to me, and I sometimes listen music in my phone. So yeah, these are the only things I do with.
Okay, this is your cue card time. Cue card means question card.
Yes, sir.
And your topics for cue card is talk about a time when you were very happy, when you felt happy. And please say what made you happy, where you were, who was there with you, and why you felt so happy.
Okay.
So I'll give you 1 minute, and you can note down your important point as well.
Okay, sir.
So this is page. You can take a pen, just a minute. Let me set my mobile. Start, please. Your time's up, please.
Okay, the time I was like, everyone has a time in their life when they felt very happy, and I have number of incidents I felt happy, but one of them is my metric result. I got my metric result 2 years back, and I was excited as well as nervous before my result. But when I got my result, I was so happy. I was so delighted that I got 94.5%. Which means a lot to me, which means a lot to my hard work throughout the year. And after that, my parents were so happy, my family was so happy to know that I got that much marks. I was called at my school, I was called, and my principal and my teacher appreciated my result. They gave me a honor, they gave me a trophy of honor, and I was so happy. And before coming back to my home, my father gifted me a phone, an iPhone, and that was really special to me. After that, when I went back home and I saw they have organized a surprise party for me, they have organized it within 2 hours. It took me 2 hours doing all of that, and I was so delighted seeing that, because everybody was so happy. It's because of me, because of my result, which made me more happier. And after that, we next day we organized a party. It's like a ceremony, God ceremony in her home, and there I sing for, like, I prayed for God. I sing some prayers there, and with my mother, and it was like a dream come true for me, because I just really want my parents to see me getting such good marks, and they were also very happy. They were happy with my success in my metrics, and this moment become the happiest moment of my life. I got a call from a very renowned school, for my entrance there, for my admission there, which is difficult for a person to take admission in. And I got call from there, and it was like I was very happy having such appreciation from everyone. So this was the happiest moment of my life.
Okay, let me ask you some more questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So, what do Indian people do to have fun or to have a gala time?
Okay, Indian people have lot of things to do. So if we see the countryside, people get together, people organize get together, they sit together, they play indoor and outdoor games, they enjoy smoking, they enjoy drinking, or they enjoy gossiping. As simply, they take off from their work and sit together, have a full meal together, have a dinner together, or they just go to like hunting, and these are the things they do. Or they play indoor games, cards and ludos and etc. And if we talk about the people in cities, they go to cinemas, they go to beaches, or they go to some tours, or sometimes they just sit in their home with their families. So these are the things people do in India to enjoy.
Okay, do you think people are much happier nowadays as compared to the people in the past?
To be honest, people are not that much happy nowadays, like if we compare to the past, because in past we can see people are like more relaxed, they were not that much tense, they were not a severe competition, they were happy actually, they enjoyed their joint families. It was such a like they were delighted to have they were delighted to be in their family. There were not that much fights, no much politics. But if we can see now, we have like number of diseases, number of problems we are facing. Like now recently we had a very great star, a great actor, Sushant Singh Rajput has just died, and if we talk about him, that the reason was depression. Depression is such a new disease, if we can see. So depression, hypertension, BP and all, this make people sad, this make people worry about them, or there is a lot of competition, we are all running in a race. So people are not that much happier, but happiness comes from inside. One who feel happy is happy.
Okay, do you think that money can bring happiness for people?
Yes, money can bring happiness, but for a short period of time. It like one can be happy. I am happy when I shop, I go for shopping, or I get something. But one cannot be happy every time with such materialistic thing. Okay, one person who go for charities or who donates or who is like close to their family, they are happy when they see smile on others' face. This is the permanent happiness one can have for the lifetime. Not every rich person, not every billionaire is happy, but a person who is a picker we can see smile on their faces. So happiness comes from inside. It's a state of mind. It's not money. It's state of mind.
Okay, and last question for today, and that is, what should people do to bring happiness in their lives?
According to me, people should do what they wanted to. It doesn't mean they should go and crime. They should go and crime and do murder someone. It's not the way to have happiness. The thing to happiness is do charity, help other people, share your feelings with others, share your things, your food with others, which make you happy as well as them. Because happiness happiness is the way to, like, helping is the way to the happiness. And I think this is the permanent happiness, as I said earlier. So people should go for such things.
Okay, that's the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.